Is Forex trading a get-rich-quick scheme? Hello people, welcome to this video recording session. Today I want us to discuss this very important issue, and it is important because I believe most Kenyans usually fall prey to dubious Forex trading schemes because they believe Forex trading is a get-rich-quick scheme. And this problem is not only here in Kenya. If right now you go online and you Google how to make money trading Forex, you will get all sorts of results, but the results that are likely to stand out are those that suggest that not only can you get rich trading Forex, but you can do so in a rather quickly manner and using small capital. Quickly and small capital being the keywords here. And there are people who have genuinely made a lot of money within their first few days of trading. Even you right now, you can log into your MT4 trading platform or whichever platform that you use to that you prefer to use to trade. Take a very huge position using leverage, and if luck is on your side, voila, your account will be triple. You don't have to be an expert to do that. But making money consistently by depending on luck and taking humongous risk is another story by its own. In fact, if you believe you'll become rich by taking unreasonable risk and depending on luck, then you better press the play button and enjoy your fairy tale. Depending on such an approach is the fastest route to the poorhouse. Trading is hard. Do not be cheated. Trading is hard. You will need to study very hard. You will need to undergo continuous improvement process. You will be frustrated. You will be disappointed. And if you stick long enough, you will realize trading is the hardest way to make easy money. Let me repeat that quote. Trading is the hardest way to make easy money. Most people who believe that they can make quick cash by trading Forex usually have this quote the other way around. But fortunately, if you look at this quote closely, you will realize that it has two parts. It has the hardest way and it has the easy part. So what that means basically is that there are things you can do and eventually you will start making easy money. So the most important thing that I want us to talk about today is some of the things that you can do so that you start making easy money. And some of these things that you can do is mastering these three very important areas, and that is mastering your trading strategy, mastering a good risk and money management strategy, and mastering a good trading psychology. So trading strategy basically refers to the approach that you're going to use to enter the market, to manage your trades while in the market, and to exit the market. There are very many types of trading strategies. There are those that are based on technical analysis, others are based on fundamental, others are based on a combination of the two. Others are based on quantitative trading, others are based on algorithms. Basically, there are so many types of trading strategy. What you need to note as you develop your trading strategy is to develop one that makes sense to you. Develop a trading strategy that is in line with your personality. And secondly, develop a strategy that you can execute effortlessly. In other words, make your trading strategy as simple as possible. And if you do that, eventually you will begin, at least the trading strategy will be productive. What do I mean by risk and money management? Risk and money management is basically concerned with capital preservation. You don't want to lose all your money within the first few days of trading. You need to adopt a strategy that, number one, allows you to preserve your capital even after you have undergone a losing streak. And by the way, every trading strategy, regardless of how perfect it is, will at one point undergo a losing streak. So you need to have a good risk and money management strategy that will preserve your capital as you undergo a losing streak. Secondly, you need to have a risk and management strategy that allows you to make more money when you are on a winning streak than the amount that you lose on a losing streak. Am I clear? You need to have a risk and money management strategy that allows you to make larger winnings, and if that is the case, basically you will be able to survive in this particular market. Trading psychology, the hardest part of trading, is concerned with developing the right kind of mindset. It is concerned with basically answering questions like whether you will be rational as you lose. Will you maintain your sanity when you undergo a losing streak? Will you be able to apply your trading strategy when things do not seem to work out? And how do you behave when you're undergoing a winning streak? Do you tend to increase your risk unreasonably? So that is what is concerned with trading psychology. These topics is basically these areas are basically very large, and they will need some training on their own. But for now, what I need you to note is that they are also equally important. There is none that is important than the other. Like for instance, a good trading strategy with a poor risk and money management will eventually be unproductive, because when you undergo a losing streak, you will lose your money. A good risk money management but with a poor trading strategy still is not productive, because eventually the only thing that it will shield you from is losing all your money instantly, but in the long run you will lose all your money. Secondly, you cannot be rational if every trade that you enter is a loss. So in addition to having a good trading psychology, you will also need to have a very good trading strategy. So in conclusion, as we conclude, this is what I want you to take home. I want you to know that trading, or rather I want this to be very clear to you. I want you to know that trading is not a get-rich-quick scheme. So don't focus on quick cash. Instead, focus on what makes trading hard. Focus on developing your trading strategy. Focus on developing your money management. Focus on developing your psychology. And if you do that, you will eventually reach a point whereby you will be able to start enjoying easy money that is associated with trading perfectly.